Hi, my name is Anita Foster. I'm the Library Media Specialist at Autry Middle School in Kennesaw, Georgia. And today I'm going to show you for our Tech Tip Tuesday how, when you've taken a document and you've printed it out and you've done your work on it, how you can turn it in and get it back to your teacher. So I'm going to be using an app that I put on my phone. It's right down here at the bottom, and it is called Office Lens. Office Lens works with the Microsoft Office platform of apps. So I am going to show you how to do that on the phone. I've downloaded some of my Microsoft apps that I use at school. And there's a new one on here that I want to point you to. It's called Office Lens. So if I click on Office Lens, what it lets me do is scan a document. So I have a choice of saying, well, it's a whiteboard, it's a document, it's a business card, it's a photo. So I'm going to go back to document because that's what I'm scanning. And see the orange lines? I'm just lining it up with my paper and I'm hitting that white button. It's taking a picture of it. I'm going to just hit confirm. Then it has an arrow here. Now I've taken this picture a couple of times just because I was playing with it before I wanted to shoot the video to show you how to do it. I'm going to hit that orange button and I can say I want to add another one to it. I want to add filters to it. I want to crop. I want to rotate. I want to delete. I want to add some writing onto it, or I want to add some text onto it. So when I'm done, I just click this done button. It says, okay, well, what do you want to do? Do I want to save it to my library? Do I want to save it as a PDF? What title am I going to give it? So here I'm going to give it the title of CCSD Laptop Care. And then I'm going to email it to myself. I'm going to click done. And I'm going to share to Outlook. All right, so the other thing that I want to talk to you about is in the export that we did, there's different ways to export it. Now, I emailed it to myself and I used the Mail app to email it to myself. But I do want you to notice on this screen, export to, you can save it to your photo library. You can export it as a PDF if you have the PDF software on your device. But the cool thing is you can share it in a OneNote notebook. So if your teacher has a OneNote notebook set up for you and you've signed in on your device with Office 365, it should connect to those notebooks fine. Also, you can put it to your OneDrive account. Again, you just need to log into your Office 365 account. But you can upload it to your OneDrive and have that as your file storage area. You can also share it as in a Word or a PowerPoint. Now, I would not recommend those if you're scanning a picture that you need to turn in something for your teacher. But I would highly recommend if your teacher has a OneNote set up for you, or to put it to your OneDrive, or again, you can email it to yourself if you have an email set up and then it's on your computer, and then you can turn it in that way. All right, Autry, I hope that this helps you get some of your work turned in that we're doing virtually, and I hope you learned something today with Tech Tip Tuesday. Have a great day.